You think a coffee maker only makes coffee. No, no, no. I've hacked it, and you can make a grain bowl. Here's how. Start off with vegetables. I have some carrots, some cauliflower, and broccoli. Place it where the coffee grounds usually are. Make sure it's clean, because that is very important. You don't want any extra flavor. Plop that in. Then you're going to fill with water. Close it, turn it on. So this is about the right amount. I'm gonna give my crisp veg a little stir. It smells great. I'm gonna dump out this water and get ready to cook the next part, which is my quinoa. Put my quinoa in, add a little bit of salt. Then I'm gonna put it back in the coffee maker and let the remaining half a cup go down. So now that they're cooked, we're gonna let this sit over here. Take our vegetables out. They're nice, crisp, tender. Let those hang out. And now we have to sear our protein, which is tofu. Turn this back on. And we have marinated our tofu with orange juice, soy, and a little bit of sugar. And sesame oil for flavor. Sizzle, sizzle! Now it's time to flip. A little golden brown. While the tofu is still searing on the other side, we're gonna start assembling our grain bowl. Our quinoa has absorbed the rest of the water. That's gonna be our base. And now we're going to top with our vegetables. And we're going to top with some fresh kale. So now that our tofu is ready, we're going to lift it, add it to our grain bowl, right here, little protein. I have some crispy chickpea snacks for texture. Take all of them. I'm gonna drizzle with some vinaigrette. Can you believe I made all of this with this? That's pretty cool. Let's try it. The tofu's nice and hot, nice and seasoned. Vegetables are cooked through. And the quinoa is delicious. Pretty impressive for my little coffee friend. Till next time. Bye guys.